Friends, today we're going to share some data with you regarding the digital currency Bitcoin. As you can see from the initial trends, the price of Bitcoin reached $79,461 and many people made significant profits. Let's take a look at how this profit was actually made. First, let me show you when the Bitcoin price was at its lowest. Here's the data from August 17, 2026, where you can see the price was $63,256 and then it started to rise. What happened next is the most interesting part because the subsequent events were truly unique. Observing the graph, one could sense that something positive was on the horizon. Those who, anticipating this, chose to buy on August 17th instead of selling, reaped massive gains, as you can clearly see. Today, August 28th, 2026, the price reached a high of $79,461 and forecasts suggest further gains for Bitcoin. However, there is also a possibility of a downward trend. We are also observing varying trade volumes, ranging from medium to large and small amounts. What do you think might happen? Please share your views in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.